First, the kick. Starting position. Both legs are extended together in a streamlined position. Second, scissor kick. The lower leg kick out, bringing the foot towards the buttocks, while the upper legs kick out, extending towards in the front. Alternation. Continue alternating legs, keeping them in a streamlined position. Number 2, the arm stroke. Starting position. The leading arm is extended in front, while trailing arm is in by your thigh. Leading arm pull. The leading arm pulls down through the water, pushing towards your feet, and then returns to the starting position. Trailing arm extension. As the leading arm pulls, the trailing arm simultaneously extends forward. Number 3. Putting it together. Coordination. The arm and leg movements should be synchronized and fluid. Head position. Keep your head looking towards the side you're swimming up or slightly down towards your feet. Breathing. Rotate your head to the side to breathe, keeping the head slightly turned to the side.